Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Cooper Countryman. First, make sure your key fob is securely inside the vehicle, perhaps in your pocket or the cup holder. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. Finally, locate the prominent engine start/stop button, usually found in the center console, ready for the next step. Once your foot is on the brake, press the engine start/stop button. A single, firm press should be enough to bring your Mini to life. If the engine doesn't immediately engage, hold the button down for approximately 1 second. You'll hear the engine turn over and settle into a steady idle. This simple action gets your Mini Cooper Countryman ready for the road ahead, ensuring a smooth and reliable start every time. For automatic transmission models, it's essential to confirm your gear selector is in either park, indicated by a P, or neutral, marked with an N. The Mini Cooper Countryman has a safety feature preventing the engine from starting if it's in drive or reverse. Always double-check this position before pressing the start button to ensure both your safety and the vehicle's proper operation. This quick check prevents unexpected movement. If your Mini doesn't start, first check your key fob battery. A low battery can prevent communication. Next, ensure you are pressing the brake pedal firmly and completely. Sometimes, a partial press isn't enough to engage the starter. If issues persist, refer to your Mini Cooper Countryman's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps or warning light explanations. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.